Dancehall artist Shenseea has returned to the music scene with a brand new single titled Run. The track, released today, comes on the heels of Shenseea announcing her new manager Wasim Sal Sliby and revealing that her debut album is complete. Shensea's former manager Ramesh Major also shared the video on the official Ramesh Entertainment page with a caption asking Shenyangs, "Are you ready?" Since the track was released, it has Shensea's forthcoming album, her debut, set for release this year. Now, Fame Frequency returns tomorrow night with the Summer Retro Edition. The party will see the Vibes Master DJ Roderick, DJ Colin Hines, and Donovan Dakers, who are all prepared to take patrons on a trip down memory lane with some of the biggest hits from the 80s and 90s. Fame Frequency Retro kicks off 9 p.m. on RETV and 10:45 right here on TVJ. Now, over on the international scene, the nominations for the 73rd Primetime Emmy Awards were announced early this week by Emmy winners Ron Cephas Jones and his daughter Jasmine Cephas Jones. Now, HBO and HBO Max secured 130 nominations, followed by Netflix with 129 and Disney Plus copying 71 in its second year of eligibility. Now, Netflix is The Crown and Disney Plus is The Mandalorian, both are tied for a leading 24 nominations each, followed by WandaVision by Marvel and Disney Plus with 23 nods and Hulu's The Handmaid's Tale with 21. The Emmy Awards will be hosted by Cedric the Entertainer on September 19. This year will feature a limited audience of nominees and their guests. I'm Deidre reporting for the weekend edition of E! Prime. Be safe.